The new words are prepositions, and we are going to use classroom items to show the prepositions. Prepositions can be used with any vocabulary words, not just classroom. The pen is on the desk. On is the preposition. The pen is on the desk. The book is next to the pen. Preposition next to. Number 3. The paper is under the girl's hand. Under. The notebook is to the right of the paper. To the right of the paper. The paper is to the left of the notebook. So left, right. The books are in the bookcase. They are in. The globe is on the bookcase. On, in. The map is behind the teacher. Behind. The chalkboard is near the map. Near. It also means close to. The chalkboard is near the map and is near the computer. The chalkboard is not near the boy. Not near. Far. Not near means far. Near means close. The teacher is near the blackboard. The chalkboard is near the map and is near the computer. The number 9 is between the chalkboard and the bulletin board. In between the chalkboard and the bulletin board. The clock is above the computer and the bulletin board. Above. The bulletin board is under the clock. Under.